In a peaceful village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a young woman named Maya. She was known for her kindness and generosity, always willing to help those in need. One day, Maya encountered a traveler who appeared weary and hungry. Without hesitation, she invited him into her humble home and offered him a simple meal. As they shared stories, the traveler revealed that he was a monk on a quest for enlightenment. Intrigued, Maya expressed her desire to understand the path to true happiness and enlightenment. The monk smiled and handed her a small, smooth stone. "Hold this stone in your hand and imagine all the worries and burdens you carry," he said. Maya did as instructed, closing her eyes and focusing on the stone. In that moment, the monk asked, "Can you feel the weight of the stone in your hand?" "Yes," Maya replied. The monk then shared a profound teaching with her. "Life's burdens are like this stone. We often carry the weight of our past, worries about the future, and the expectations of others. True happiness and enlightenment come when we learn to let go." Maya looked puzzled, so the monk continued, "Just as you can choose to release the stone, you can choose to release the burdens that weigh you down. Embrace the present moment, for it is the only moment where true peace resides." The story teaches us the valuable lesson of letting go of unnecessary burdens and living in the present moment, a core teaching in Buddhism. By releasing attachments to the past and worries about the future, we can cultivate a sense of peace and happiness in our lives.